Ethereum is continuing the downwards movement today as whales sell out of the market. Guys, unfortunately, we at Trade Confident may be looking for a more bullish outlook. We are continuing to see moves down over the long term, and there are a couple points of data that, if they play out, could result in much larger drops than we're seeing today. So we need to be careful of that. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the next bottom and what could be an ideal entry in order to make profit on the next move up. Let's talk about it real quick. Just a second though. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we have 283 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a future forecast video out from earlier this week, and this is talking about a balanced look at the market with bullish and bearish preparations. The bearish outlook appears to be playing out currently, and while we do still have a bullish outlook, it may be delayed until next year. In tomorrow's future forecast, we're actually going to give an XRP masterclass and go over what more bearish scenarios could look like and what we plan to do if that happens. We're going to head over to the Telegram channel now. Keep in mind, this is free. You can access this at the links in the description down below. It's going to be that third link there. This is talking about how market makers control the price. They manipulate the price by dropping it just enough to scare you and then pushing it back up to give you hope. As long as they leave you with just enough hope after a drop, they can drop the price again and you'll hesitate to sell. This is how people watch 80% of their portfolios decline in a bear market. But remember these feelings right now. The hope you feel inside, but the consistent decline in your portfolio. This is very close to what a bear market feels like. We have a plan in place to take care of this. And guys, despite having a ton of upwards liquidity, a bunch of liquidity to the upside, we are seeing drops in the market today. This is the opposite of what typically happens, and again, could show the potential for a bear market. Classic bear market tactics. Pushing the market down, then rebounding just enough to keep hope alive with retail before another move lower. Now, I know this is very different rhetoric than what we've been talking about for the last couple of months here at Trade Confident. And guys, we need to keep up with new data as it appears. We're doing our best to provide you with the best information possible, and that means we need to keep an eye on both sides of the market. Whether you are bullish or bearish, you can't be a successful trader unless you're looking at both sides to make the best informed decisions. Talking about that more in the future forecast videos tomorrow and coming YouTube videos, so stay tuned. Today, let's look at Ethereum USD on the daily time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. And we're going to be looking for what could be the next ideal entry. When looking for a potential bottom, we want to see a buy or strong buy signal, which most often will indicate an ideal candle entry. This is where we could see moves up. From there, we want to see price versus wall money flow low because it means that whale money has oversold and is likely to buy back into the market. Market makers, whales in the market, guys, where their money goes, the market is likely to go too. So if they buy in, indicated by a green line moving up, this is going to move the price up. If it is generally trending downwards, it's going to push the price down because whale money is actually leaving the market. Now, the trades in favor tracks market momentum. So rather than the flow of money, it's actually testing the momentum of price. As the price drops, if we push down into, or at least very close to, the long trade zone, it means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Simple as that. Downwards momentum runs out, we bounce to the upside. Downwards momentum runs out, we bounce to the upside. Now, something we need to pay attention to right now is, despite a 67% chance of a pump with a buy and a strong buy signal, we're still getting drops. This is because whale money continues to drop out of the market, and we have plenty of room to move down. We're currently sitting at a value of about 50, but the current support structure, the current oversold level, at least locally, is around a value of about 43 or even as far down as 35. Even small movements like this from here to here, this is a value on the left side of 56 to 46. This was a drop from the top all the way to this next bottom of 14%. And I'm not saying we're about to drop 14%. This isn't going to directly correlate to the amount the price is going to drop. This is going to show you the general direction. So what we're looking for in order to find our next entry is for price versus while money flow to be low. We want to see trades in favor in the long trade zone, and we want to see another buy or strong buy signal. Because we're looking a little bit more bearish, we want to see all three of these before catching an ideal candle entry and a time to enter into the market. The reason this didn't play out is because we actually peaked in the price versus while money flow and began moving down. This is called divergence. Now, we are attempting to break below structure support at $2,768. If this happens, if we get a candle open and close below this price, I would not be shocked to see the price drop down to support at $2,355. From the current price, this is a move down of about 12%. That is the point that I'm looking for a bullish trifecta, but if it plays out anywhere in between the current resistance, which is now $2,768, and the support, if we get that bullish trifecta, that is likely to be a more accurate entry point. Now, we are so confident in this, we rely on this every single day for our trades, and we are actually setting alerts to make sure we can catch them in case they happen. Click create alert, switch it to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 1 day watch for pump, click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. This time it'll be a buy, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 1 day buy, click create. And the last alert will be under the TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and name it. ETH 1 day strong buy, click create. And these three alerts are going to help you find the ideal next entry. If you get a strong buy or a buy alert, it means you got a buy or strong buy signal on your chart. If you get ETH 1 day watch for pump alert, it means that this white line on the trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone, indicating that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. If any of these three alerts post, be sure to check the rest of the indicators and check to see if there are coinciding bullish signals. If you're able to get a full bullish trifecta, or at least are very close to it, it could be a good time to enter. Guys, about 80% of the time, based on our current trade calls, these indicators, in combination with a bullish trifecta, will result in a trade win. As we get closer to a potential entry, I'll show you the risk management strategy right here built into the TC top and bottom finder that has helped us pull up that full 100% successful trade call rate that we have in our membership. If you want results like this, guys, you need to have these indicators loaded up on your charts, and members can get access for up to $550 off. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the crucial future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. If you want to join us, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. The Telegram channel for free is actually the third link, but we're heading to the membership. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month for less than $50, guys. Less than $50, and you get all of this and more. Head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and because you're a member, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.